Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to give you some information related to simple present tense. आज मैं आपको simple present tense के बारे में कुछ मालूमात दूंगा. First of all, I will tell you about the function of simple present tense. के simple present tense के क्या functions हैं. Later on, we'll discuss the structure of simple present tense. And in the previous lecture, I was telling you about different functions of verbs. So we will discuss simple present tense with reference to verb of action, verb of state, and verb of possession. So let us start with function of simple present tense. There are three main functions of simple present tense. The first function is daily actions. So we use simple present tense in order to show daily action. हम simple present tense का इस्तेमाल तब करते हैं जब हम रोज़मर्रा जो हम काम करते हैं उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहे. तो जब भी आप रोज़मर्रा के काम के बारे में when you want to say something about it, you need to use simple present tense. रोज़मर्रा what do we mean by daily action? Like for example, you get up, whether you get up early, whether you get up late, whether you recite Holy Quran daily, whether you do play cricket in the evening or do exercise or whatsoever is the situation. Whatsoever you perform daily, that is called daily action. So the first function of simple present tense is to talk about actions which you perform daily. वो काम जो आप रोज़मर्रा रूटीन में करते हैं, that is a specific word जो आपके ज़हन में होना चाहिए. रूटीन का क्या मतलब है कि आपकी वो रूटीन बनती है. Your mother cooks food. If she is a housewife, so she cooks food. So whenever she wants to talk about cooking, she will use simple present tense. Yes, if she is talking about something that is going on at the time of her speaking, then she will say I am cooking. But if she talks about routine actions, then she will say she cooks food. I have given an example of daily action, that is he gets up early in the morning. Now it is his routine to get up early. Maybe on weekends, maybe he may not feeling well, so someday he may not get up early, but in the routine he gets up early, so therefore the sentence that is he gets up early in the morning, simple present tense should be used. The second function of simple present tense is it shows habits of biting nails, habits of smoking cigarettes, habits of using cigar. So this is like we can use simple present tense हम आदात के बारे में. We can use simple present tense to show such type of things which the people have some habit. You have some habit, some other person has some habit. So for showing habits, we need simple present tense, and I have given an example. Ali smokes cigar. And keep this in your mind that it is not necessary that you use the word daily. इस मतलब ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप हर दफ़ा डेली लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल कर लो. When once you use simple present tense, एक दफ़ा जो आप simple present tense इस्तेमाल करते हो, automatically the other person जो मैंने आपको I have told you in the previous class, you are addressee, आप addresser हो, खिताब बोलने वाले. आपके listener जो है वो addressee है. So once you use simple present tense, if he or she, addressee जो भी हो, he or she जो भी हो, if he or she is aware of language, he or she will definitely understand that you are talking about daily habits or actions. Okay. The third function is, so therefore there is no need to use daily every time with each and every sentence of simple present tense. The third function of simple present tense, that it shows universal truths. What do we mean by universal truths? Truths which cannot be denied. Which, for example, I say 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So, the answer was 4 in the past, the answer is 4 now, and the answer will be same in future. Being Muslim, I have given the example, Allah is one. So, you can see here that this is not the case that in past, na'uzubillah, this was not the right statement. It was the right statement in the past, it is the right statement now, and it will be the right statement in future. So being Muslim, we believe that Allah is one, so there is no such change. Or we say honesty is the best policy. So it is not the case that we say that honesty was not the best policy in the past, it is the best policy now, and it will have some other status in future. It will remain the same. So let me wind up the function of simple present tense. We use simple present tense for daily actions. We use it for talking about habits. We use to talk about universal truths. And you need to understand that for all these functions, like for talking about daily action, for talking about habits, for talking about universal truths, you need to use simple present tense and not any other tense.